Foldable phones have evolved dramatically in recent years, shifting from experimental concepts to powerful mainstream devices. This year, foldables aren't just about flexing screens. They're delivering high-end performance, camera innovation, multitasking enhancements, and smarter AI integration. Whether you're a productivity power user, a photography enthusiast, or simply craving futuristic aesthetics, foldable smartphones are now more durable, practical, and stylish than ever before. These devices combine the compactness of a phone with the expanded real estate of a tablet, giving users the best of both worlds. In this list, we'll explore the top 5 best foldable phones. We've looked at real-world performance, battery life, display quality, software experience, and AI-driven features to determine which foldables stand above the rest. From Samsung's groundbreaking AI tools in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to the elegance and refinement of Motorola, OnePlus, Google, and Honor's entries, this year offers something for everyone in the foldable space. Let's dive into the best folding smartphones has to offer, starting with number 5 and working our way up to the top foldable champion. Number 5. Honor Magic V35G. The Honor Magic V35G offers one of the slimmest and sleekest designs in the foldable category while packing a serious punch under the hood. With a massive 7.92-inch folding display, it delivers a truly immersive experience, ideal for gaming, media consumption, and productivity. The device folds inward and feels sturdy in hand, showing off Honor's engineering prowess. Performance is excellent thanks to the generous 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample room for files, apps, and photos. Running on Android 14, the interface is clean and responsive, with thoughtful UI adaptations for the folding screen. The device also features a capable set of cameras with great detail and dynamic range, especially when shooting in good lighting conditions. Battery life is solid, lasting a full day even with heavy use, and the fast charging capabilities help minimize downtime. It's worth noting that this is an international version, so users should double-check carrier compatibility in their region. However, for those wanting a high-end foldable phone without the mainstream brand markup, the Magic V3 offers outstanding value and refined performance. Honor proves it's a serious contender in the foldable space with the Magic V3, earning its place on our list for its elegant design, solid performance, and expansive display. Number 4. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold brings together all the best elements of the Pixel ecosystem: cutting-edge software, AI smarts, and camera innovation in a foldable format. This device is a refined take on foldable smartphones, and it caters directly to those who prioritize clean software experiences and advanced photography. With its foldable display, you get the convenience of a traditional smartphone with the added screen real estate when you need it. The transition between folded and unfolded modes is smooth and thoughtfully designed, allowing for seamless multitasking. Whether you're editing photos, working across multiple apps, or watching content, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers a balanced experience. Under the hood, it's powered by Google's latest Tensor chip, enabling fast processing and advanced AI features, including real-time transcription, enhanced voice commands, and Gemini AI integration. The triple rear camera system is one of the best in the foldable category, capable of capturing detailed, color-accurate images in a variety of lighting conditions. Battery life is solid, lasting all day for typical users, and the device includes fast charging support. It also excels in hands-free video calls and media playback thanks to its foldable screen design and stereo speakers. While it may not be the thinnest or flashiest foldable, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold wins on functionality, AI-powered features, and camera performance. If you're invested in the Google ecosystem or simply want a smart, dependable foldable with unmatched software integration, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a strong choice. Number 3. Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is Google's first entry into the foldable phone market, and it's an impressive debut. Merging the company's mastery of Android software with innovative hardware, the Pixel Fold brings a unique approach to the foldable category. If you're looking for a device that feels like a premium Pixel through and through, but with the added utility of a folding screen, this is it. The Pixel Fold features a 7.6-inch OLED inner display with rich colors and smooth 120Hz refresh rate, giving you ample room for multitasking, media consumption, and productivity. The outer screen, at 5.8 inches, functions as a regular smartphone and is usable one-handed, perfect for quickly checking messages or navigating on the go. The hinge mechanism is sturdy and folds flush, giving the phone a sleek, gapless design. Powered by Google's Tensor G2 chip and equipped with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, the Pixel Fold handles multitasking effortlessly. Its AI-enhanced performance shines in real-time translation, contextual search, and speech recognition. But one of its biggest highlights is the camera system. With a triple rear camera setup, including a telephoto and ultra-wide lens, the Pixel Fold outshines most foldables in photography, capturing stunning shots in nearly every lighting condition. Battery life is solid, offering up to 24 hours of typical use, and the Pixel exclusive features like Live Translate, Hold for Me, and Magic Eraser are deeply integrated throughout the software experience. For those who want a foldable that doesn't sacrifice camera quality or the simplicity of stock Android, the Google Pixel Fold hits the sweet spot between innovation and usability. Number 2. Motorola Razr. The Motorola Razr continues to prove why the Razr series remains a fan favorite among foldable phones. With its sleek, ultra-pocketable design and iconic flip form factor, it offers a nostalgic experience upgraded with modern Android functionality. In this year's edition, Motorola has fine-tuned nearly every detail, making it one of the best compact foldables on the market. The standout feature is the improved 3.6-inch external PO-LED display. It's vivid, responsive, and large enough to handle full app interactions, allowing you to reply to messages, navigate maps, or even scroll social media without ever opening the phone. When flipped open, the 6.9-inch FHD Plus main screen delivers a silky smooth 165Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and content consumption. Under the hood, this phone packs an 8GB RAM and 256GB storage combo, providing ample room and power for multitasking. The Snapdragon chipset offers dependable performance, and the battery life has been optimized to carry you through the day despite the compact design. The 50-megapixel main camera captures crisp images with great color balance and low light performance. And Motorola's AI enhancements make photo editing intuitive. What sets it apart is its blend of style and function. It's lightweight, comfortable in the hand, and adds a layer of playfulness to your daily smartphone experience. Whether you're using FlexView for video calls or propping it up for selfies, it feels fresh and flexible. With its eye-catching spritz orange color and premium build, the Motorola Razr is a solid option for those who prefer a smaller, foldable form with all the features of a modern flagship. It's a perfect blend of tech and nostalgia, a fashion-forward device that doesn't compromise on substance. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 takes the top spot as the most powerful and feature-packed foldable phone, and the Z Fold 6 represents the pinnacle of this vision. With significant refinements in design, durability, and intelligent features, this is the foldable to beat. Open it up, and you're greeted with a massive 7.6-inch main display, perfect for work, gaming, and media. It's vibrant, fluid, and feels like a mini tablet in your pocket. When closed, the 6.3-inch cover display acts as a fully capable smartphone screen, making the Z Fold 6 a versatile tool for any scenario. The new hinge is slimmer and more durable, giving the phone a sleeker profile and better balance in the hand. This year's model introduces AI-focused features that enhance productivity and convenience. Circle to Search lets you draw around anything on screen to instantly identify or explore it, while the hands-free live interpreter breaks language barriers in real time during conversations. For creatives, AI photo edits intelligently enhances or removes objects from photos without needing third-party apps. Performance is another standout area. The Z Fold 6 runs on the latest Snapdragon chipset, backed by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. App switching is instant, multitasking is smooth with split-screen support, and battery life is impressively solid for such a large device. The silver shadow finish and premium materials make this this phone feel like a futuristic tool built for pros, creators, and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're editing documents, streaming in high definition, or jumping between workspaces, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 delivers unmatched flexibility and power, easily earning its place as the #1 foldable phone. Foldable smartphones have come a long way. What once felt experimental is now practical, powerful, and polished. Today's top foldables don't just fold. They perform like true flagships, offering the best in multitasking, creativity, and on-the-go productivity. The Honor Magic V3 kicks off the list with an elegant design and global compatibility. Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers clean software and advanced AI in a future-forward format. The Google Pixel Fold combines the best of Google's Android ecosystem with premium folding hardware and top-tier cameras. Motorola's Razr adds iconic design and practicality in a compact package. And topping it all, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 leads the pack with unrivaled multitasking capabilities, AI tools, and productivity potential. From classic clamshells to mini tablets in your pocket, foldables now cater to every user style. If you've been waiting to make the leap, this year is the year to fold, because the future is flexible.